Hypergen. Your ano, your really? Thank you. I just want one pretty girl. No, I showed them here on my live before. It's on my ano. I posted them. It's there. They didn't even sleep here for like 2 weeks. The other week and today. This week. This week. I'm from the Philippines. Hi, Ryan. Thank you. Ah, I don't know Hypergen. In the Philippines, in Mindoro.